So we have something interesting, and again, we have a Johnny Lightning Trivial Pursuit Classic Edition. It's got the card, it's got some kind of token, and it is a 1948 Tucker torpedo. You got some other collectibles there. Let's see. All right. Trivial Pursuit. So, the Tucker torpedo. Very nice hubcaps there. The Tucker. Interesting looking car. I think you either gotta love it or you hate it. Now, I heard for the young guys, there were 3 lights. Each one of those are lights. Just little knowledge that I heard. I think it had the thing in the middle of the windshield. Nice chrome bumper. Rubber tires, guys. Nice undercarriage. Other side, up, things are moving over there. You notice the door handles are nicely painted. This is a Johnny Lightning. Nothing opens. Little chrome over here. Get a shot of the back. Now again, you guys, I know you love your Hot Wheels because you watch, but you either love this or hate this. And if you look, even the wheels have grip. Beautiful white walls. Very, very sharp car. Again, it comes with, I'm not going to take it out, the chip here and some type of Trivial Pursuit. Again, I'm assuming you only get a card. Interesting. So I'm going to end up keeping this thing just in case. Like I said, it comes with a bunch of other cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of them. Collect all 6. All right, guys. This was the 1948 Tucker torpedo. This is a really nice car. Can't really make out what that says over there. Oh, Trivial Pursuit. Really, really sharp. I've seen these at car shows on TV, not in real life. But this is a beautiful car. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.